These types of AI cat videos are going viral all over the internet, especially on YouTube, and all of these videos are getting millions of views. This YouTube channel has gained over 1 million subscribers by uploading only 28 shorts. This channel has gained 2 million subscribers with only 92 shorts, and this YouTube channel has gained over 3 million subscribers by uploading only 96 videos, which is just insane. If you scroll down, you will see all of their videos are getting millions of views. As you can see, 90 million, 85 million, 47 million, and more. All of their videos are getting millions of views. So if you can make similar videos, you will definitely go viral in a few months. To know why they are going viral, let's watch some of their most viral videos. Let's watch another video from a different channel. The best part of this niche is that you can make a similar video in just a few minutes without spending a single penny. And you don't have to waste your time writing scripts and recording voices. AI will do everything for you for free. In this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step on how you can make similar videos that go viral. I will also share some techniques and prompts to get similar high-quality results. So let's get started. To make a viral cat video, we are going to do 3 steps. Step 1 is to generate AI images. To do that, we are going to use an amazing AI tool called Leonardo AI. I will put the link in the video description. Now quickly sign in with your Google account, and then you will get to this page. Here you will see lots of mind-blowing AI images generated by Leonardo AI. You can get some prompt ideas from here. This AI tool is not completely free. On a free account, you will get 150 free credits per day, which is more than enough for our purpose. So now click on Image Creation. You will get to this page. In this box, we need to type our prompt. I have created some prompts for you. You can access these prompts for free from the video description. Your job is to copy these prompts one by one and paste them into this box. You can edit these prompts to create more variations. If you use Mid-Journey AI or Stable Diffusion, you can also use the same prompts to get more high-quality images. Now make sure to select the right aspect ratio. I'm going to select 9:16 because it's best for shorts. Then go to Preset and select this one. If you click here, you will get the results in just a few seconds. As you can see, I have generated some amazing images with this AI tool. You will find all the prompts in my doc file. I will put the link in the video description where you will find more prompts to generate similar AI images. Now we need to download all the images by clicking on this icon. So we have successfully completed our first step. Step 2 is to edit and animate images. To do that, we are going to use a free video editing software called CapCut. It's available on all devices. If it's not available in your country, you can use a VPN to access it. When you open the CapCut app, you will see this interface. Now, let's import all the images and drag them to the timeline. Now adjust the placement of all the images according to your story. Here, you need to tell a story with these images. So make sure to maintain the sequence of every image. For instance, I want to create a story about a kitten who was sitting in the bathroom while using a mobile phone. Suddenly, the phone fell into the water and the kitten started crying. To make the video engaging, you need to decrease the duration of each image so viewers won't get bored. Okay. Now it's time to animate all the images. To make the video engaging, we need to use different animations for different images. Let's start with the first image. Click on the image. Go here and click on Animation. I now select Combo, and you will see all these animation presets. You can try different animation styles to find the best one for your image. For instance, I am using this style for the first image. Here is the result. It's really good. In the same way, we need to use different animations for all the images. Let's check it. Okay, it's pretty good. If you want to add background music, you can easily do that. But I recommend using trending music from YouTube so your video will go viral in a few days. You need to find the best performing videos in this niche and add the same music to your video. I will show you in the next step how to do that. So our video is almost ready. Now we can easily export the video by clicking here. Step 3 is to learn some tips to go viral. Number 1, tell a story. Don't just make a random video with some AI images. To get likes and subscribers, you need to tell a story with these images. If you watch some of their videos, you will notice that all of their videos tell a different story. If you can't tell a story with your video, it won't go viral. Number 2, be creative with prompts. Please don't rely solely on my prompts. I will provide only 10 prompts for 10 different styles of cat images, but you need to be creative. You can take inspiration from my prompts and then create new prompts according to your story. In most cases, you just need to change the first few words and you will get your desired result. Number 3, don't use any random music. Try to follow their viral videos and use the same music in your video. You can use their music without any copyright issues. You just need to upload the video from your mobile phone to get the option to add music. If you click here, you will get to this page where you will find all the viral music. You just need to search by the music name. I have some saved music. Let's check. Wow, this is good. You can use this music if you want. Here is the result. If you invest some time, you will be able to create a more beautiful video. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help the channel grow. If you want to know how to make money with AI videos, this video is for you. I've generated all these clips using Kling AI. You can see all these videos trending on Instagram, gaining millions of views. If you stay with me till the end, you will definitely learn how to make these kinds of viral clips. First, I asked GPT for different outfit suggestions for the cats, and I got a few of these. To generate realistic cat images, we should definitely use Leonardo AI for that. Now go to Leonardo AI. As you will notice, we have 150 free credits per day. If you use all the credit, it will reset the next day, but you can use another Gmail account to get more 150 credits. Click on Image Creation. Paste the prompt from ChatGPT here. At the preset box, choose Illustrative Albedo. Preset style, you can choose different style, but I leave it at default. Don't forget to pick the image dimension 16 by 9. I got these 4 images. We have to select the desired one. Once we save this image, next, go to Kling AI. Here, we have to select the image to video option and upload the downloaded image. Now, enter the prompt. Cat walking slowly down the center of a lavish hallway. Camera moves smoothly along with it. This is important, otherwise the cat will rush. Just keep the default settings selected and click on Generate. After generation, it looks like this. Next, we will also try the text to video option here. Enter something like full body shot of a cute cat dressed in a winter outfit. Use the default options and click on Generate. I got this result, but I don't like it at all. Now, we will cover one more style. Cat riding on a bike in the desert. Follow the same process we did before. Get prompt from ChatGPT, generate image in Leonardo AI, and save the image. Upload it to Kling AI. Now copy some part of the prompt into the Kling AI prompt box. And all I did was select the creativity level to around 0.35 and clicked on Generate. I was shocked looking at the magic of this option, though I had not specified in the prompt that the cat should be riding with any dance moves. I believe that's what the creativity option does. Now, there is another option here called Professional Mode, which is available only to paid users. I personally tried this option, Rabbit at Table in Standard Mode and Rabbit at Table in Professional Mode. The professional mode has better lighting and visuals here. Now don't forget that this professional mode will cost you 35 credits. Now, if you think of generating motion for these images in Kling Tai, here's where the magic happens. The same prompt we tried for the first image worked for all the images. I didn't even change a word because we generated images in the same pose, and Kling AI did the magic. I also tried one of the images in Luma AI, and the result was very bad. I believe for these kinds of videos, Kling is the king. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more way to make money online. See ya. You've likely come across those popular cat videos with millions of views. What you might not know is that the creators behind these channels are earning $1,000 every month. Don't believe me? Take a look at these 2 channels that launched less than a year ago and already boast over 1 million subscribers each. And if you're wondering about how they make money, just wait until you see this. According to Social Blade, one of them is already earning close to the $48,000 monthly, while the other is pulling in over a $53,000 monthly. It's truly remarkable. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create viral cat videos using free AI tools. By the end, I'll share how you can access the trending soundtracks that complement these videos. We'll start by using ChatGPT to generate visual ideas and use Ideogram AI for creating free images. Finally, we'll bring it all together using CapCut. Stay tuned for a bonus tip on where to find the perfect soundtrack for your viral cat videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button to stay updated with similar content on my channel. First, we'll start by using ChatGPT to generate prompts for this tutorial. We'll use a straightforward narrative. Let's instruct ChatGPT to create visual prompts or storyboards depicting two cats who fell in love as kittens, attended school and college together, worked at a bank, got engaged, and were preparing for their wedding. Sadly, on their wedding day, the female cat dressed in her bridal gown is struck by a car, leaving the male cat heartbroken. Hit enter and watch ChatGPT generate our visual prompts. As you can see, ChatGPT can generate picture, but I use the free version, so it can't generate all image. Just ask it to give us all the prompt. Now that we have our prompts, the next step is to copy the prompt to Ideogram AI. Paste it there and set the aspect ratio to 9:1:1. Choose options for 3D render, cinematic, and vibrant. Click on Generate to view the results. Feel free to adjust the prompts as needed to achieve the desired output. Repeat this process for all other visual prompts provided by ChatGPT to generate all the images. This images looks nice, and it's time to put them together using CapCut. Import the images generated and add them to the timeline. Next, change the aspect ratio of the video by clicking on Ratio and select 9:16, since that's the aspect ratio for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Click on Transition to select the transition you want, which will ensure smooth transitions between images. Look for any serene effects that would complement the videos, add the soundtrack, and then export the video in 1080p resolution. As I mentioned earlier, I'll now explain how you can access the popular cat soundtrack. Simply go to the TikTok search bar and type in Meow Unstoppable. You can freely use this soundtrack on TikTok without worrying about copyright. However, if you plan to use it on YouTube, you should reach out to the original owner first to avoid any copyright violations. Alternatively, download this viral sound from YouTube library. I will leave a link in the description that you can simply use. Let's see how the video turned out. But before then, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button.
Meow.